Hi, it's Joan. This week, by popular request, I'm going to go through 5 random hands. And one of my members asked that I do this again, and I wasn't sure whether you enjoyed them or not, but she said that you do. So let's hope you do. I certainly enjoy doing them. I'm just going to click on random hands. It's going to take me to the website, and I'm going to play 5 hands. Who knows what will happen? So here's my first one. We've got 4 and 2, 6, 1, 7 for 11 points, but East opened 1 diamond. Okay, so do we dare to double? We don't have really the right shape to double, and we've only got 11 points. But you know what? I've got both majors, so I'm going to say double to show an opening hand. We're not quite opening, but let's say double. They say 1 heart, partner passes. We're out of trouble. We would pass now. And they've got themselves to 2 no trumps. Partner leads a spade, looking good. So the dummy was quite strong. 5 clubs, 4 diamonds. Yes, it's quite a strong dummy. They might well make it. So anyway, let's hope for the best. We never want to give up. So ace of spades. And now we can see partners 4. We know that's 4th highest. It might be the 4 that is their bottom spade. We've seen the 2. They could have the 3. We are not sure. If they had the 3 under the 4, it means they've got 5 spades. So we'll show how many spades we've got by returning our bottom spade. Oh, looking good. They're playing another spade, and declarer wins the 9, and I think they're going to make plenty of tricks here. Perhaps they should have been in 3. I'm going to jump up with the ace here. I'm going to return a spade, even though I know that declarer will win it. And we are actually, interestingly, we're taking the last 2 tricks. So they only made 2 no trumps. Let's have a good look. They could have done a lot better on this hand. And sure enough, we got 83% for holding them to 8 tricks. Partner led their spade. I liked the lead very much. We won and returned our spade. And sure enough, partner led 4th highest, and they had 5 spades. So they had the 3, but the correct card was the 4. We knew they had at least 4 or 5 spades because we saw the 2. So when they played the 3, we knew they started with 5. That's how 4th highest works. Now, declarer could have won the spade, the 3rd spade. They did with the 9, the 3rd trick with the 9. And they could have tried the diamond finesse before they touched clubs. So let's say they win the spade. They should have played a low diamond to the jack. That holds the trick. And then they'll make 5 diamond winners, 5 club winners. That's already 10 tricks, plus 1 or 2 spade tricks as well. So 120 was not a very good result for them. So let's have a look and see how many people. 120 was a popular score. 150, nobody much. 3 no trumps doubled. How interesting. Right. Okay, so we've started on a good note. Next hand. Okay, so we would pass. Nothing to say. Partner's got diamonds. They've jumped to 4 hearts. How exciting for them. We've got 3 hearts to the ace. So they've got at least 5. This guy will probably have 4. Partner will probably only have 1 heart, which is good because they can trump. Oh, do we bid over 4 hearts with a hand like that? And we are north-south. They are east-west. They're vulnerable. If they make 4 hearts, they'll get 620. Oh, I don't know whether we should bid 5 diamonds or not. It looks a bit crazy to me, so I'm just going to pass. So look at the dummy. They had 13. The bidding was a heart, 2 diamonds, 4 hearts. Yeah, they jumped straight to game. They only had 3 hearts, so I'm not really impressed with their bidding, but they've got to 4 hearts, and I think it might have been a good idea that we didn't bid 5 diamonds. Oh, they had the Queen of Diamonds. Well, partner will probably only have 1 heart. What can we do now? I think we should return a trump. Yeah, partner only had 1 heart. They're playing hearts themselves. We're not going to beat 4 hearts, that's for sure. Look at the spades. They've got all the spades. Oh, they didn't have diamond. Partner had a lot of diamonds. It might have been correct for us to. They've won the king, trying the ace. Not sure if this will work. No. Wow. So very interesting. We only got 32%. I knew things weren't going very well for us because should we have bid 5 diamonds? As it happens, if we were in 5 diamonds and we played a low diamond, queen, king, ace, we'd have only lost 1 diamond. We'd have lost no hearts because we could have trumped. We'd have lost 2 spades, 1 club and 1 diamond. So they probably would have doubled us, but that would have only gone for minus 300 because we weren't vul and they were vul. On this hand, we could have actually taken the ace, king of clubs and the ace of hearts. And so we could have held them to 620, but it still was not going to be a great result. Let's see how many people actually bid 5 diamonds. Oh, look, not many. Look, 50 and 90. Wow, look at this. Most players did not go over 4 hearts. More than 100, nearly 150 people didn't go above it, but you know what? It was the right thing to do. Look, 5 diamonds doubled, went down 1 or 2. So let's have a look at it again. I don't think it was our hand to bid 5 diamonds. I think partner should have bid it, if anyone, because they had 7, 3, 2, 1. But they didn't know that we had any diamonds. So look, it's hard. Bridge is hard. And 4 hearts worked very well for them. I don't like the bid myself much, jumping like that to 4. I would have shown a stronger hand. But anyway, they did well. So 1 spade past 2 clubs. We've got, what do we do? Oh, hard one. We have enough points to open. But they've said 1 spade, 2 clubs. This will be a reasonable hand. This is an opening hand. Partner won't have much. What should we say? 2 diamonds or double? I much prefer double. It does say we've got hearts and diamonds, but I don't think that your partner passed, that's lucky. And West's got 5 spades and 4 diamonds. Again, they've stuck themselves in 2 no trumps and that's it. So what to lead? They've bid spades, clubs and diamonds. I'm going to try a low heart, but I'm not feeling great about it. They've got good clubs. Very good clubs. They're pitching diamonds as fast as they can. Wow. Oh, how hard it is here. They've got 7, 8. I don't want to pitch a spade. I don't want to throw that low heart because partner might have good hearts. And I don't want to throw a diamond. I think I'll have to pitch a low heart. Okay, here's our moment. King of spades. I'm going to try the diamond now. Oh, partner had the ace. Good on you, partner. Back comes a spade. We're going to take that, and that. Wow. Again, we held it to 2. We got 65%. Were they in the best contract? 2 no trumps. It went a spade, 2 clubs. They're only just good enough for 2 clubs. We said double. 2 diamonds, that was a correct bid. Partner might have considered bidding 2 hearts here because they've got an ace and a queen and they know we've got an opening hand. We would have done quite well in hearts, I think. We'd have lost 1 spade, 2 hearts and 2 clubs and maybe a diamond. So anyway, they went on to 2 no trumps and they made very good mileage of the clubs, but we must have defended pretty well because they only took 1 more trick apart from their clubs. So, okay, onwards. Pass to us. In third seat, it's fine to open a bit lighter. So we've definitely got a 1 club opening, and you should also open a good suit. Partner says a heart. We're not mad about that. So we'll have to say our second suit, spades. Partner says 1 no trump, and that is where we're going to leave it. Partner's a passed hand, and actually, so very interesting. We will make 5 club tricks. That's good news. 6, 7, 8. We'll probably make even 9 tricks on this hand. But still, the diamond 3 is lead. Let's have a think about that lead. It'll be from a long diamond suit. It could be 4 diamonds or it might be 5. Because when they lead the 3, they could have the 2 underneath and it could be 4th highest. But we should play low, that is for sure. Our jack wins it. So we think that this hand has got the ace and the queen. So we're hoping we've won the jack. We hope we'll make the king later. But let's go for the clubs. So play the clubs as, oh, look at that. My goodness gracious. Oh, the clubs are breaking dreadfully. So this means West's got 5 clubs to the jack, but we can, now what we should do is play the 10. We're terrified about hearts, so let's play the 10 of clubs. And they can't get in, but out, so play low. Now play a low club to the queen. And now we've got to pray that we were right about the diamonds. So play a low diamond. There's the ace. Good. That means we can get up with the king. I bet they switch to hearts. Sure enough, here come the hearts. Here they come. Nothing we can do because we didn't have anything in hearts. They'll run out of them soon. Oh, very helpful. Thank you. The king of spades. We win the ace. We play the queen of spades. We cross over to the diamond, to the king, and we triumph with our king of clubs, making 8 tricks. 88%. Whoa, we did well on that one. So the bidding was 1 club past 1 heart. That was correct. We bid 1 spade. Partner was a past 10, so we know we're not going very far. They bid 1 no trump. Quite a good bid. They didn't have much in diamonds, but we were able to manipulate the hand even when the club suit broke so badly. Wow. Okay, 88%. So let's go to the last hand of the day. Nothing to say. It's their hand. Right, so East has taken partner back to spades. They'll probably only have 2 spades. This hand's 5, 4, or might even have 5 diamonds, but we're passing. And that's it, 2 spades. Yeah, sure enough, they had only a doubleton spade. Oh, they didn't have anything. I'm surprised they bid 1 no trump. I would have passed. So partner leads that lovely king of hearts. But it's ace jack. Oh, they had the ace jack queen. No, that's why they bid 1 no trump. I was surprised, but they had the ace of hearts. Yep. So king of hearts leads not great for us because ace jack, they can lead up to the jack and probably make the jack later. Anyway, what would we like? We'll just play. Let's show our highest heart, the 10. Queen of spades, nothing much we can do here. Oh, partner has not even got anything in spades. I think they might have underbid this hand by the look of it. We win the diamond happily, and I think we'll just play another diamond back. There's the queen. Oh, that's not a good play by partner. They've trumped. They could have won the jack though. Right, now's our time. We jump up with that. We've got that all organised. Play the ace of clubs. And looking good for the king of clubs by partner. Okay, well, we held it to 2 for 86%. That's pretty good going that we held that to 2. They had 5 spade winners. They could have made another heart. They made 1 here. They could have taken the diamond finesse, played the jack, king, ace, and made 2 diamonds. So they could have lost 2 clubs, 1 diamond, 1 heart. They could have done better than only making 8 tricks. So our defence must have held up pretty well. Hope you enjoy these hands, and I'll do them again once a month. Okay? See you.